I'm James Clifton and I'm a senior engineer. I've been with Greenio since 2022. I design, install and maintain solar systems, battery systems, car chargers, anything kind of renewable energy really. An electrician by trade too, so we can do all of that. I was running reasonable sized projects before, down in the south of England, relocated up here. I'd always had projects with solar or whatever involved, and I just wanted to learn more about it. It's the future of energy and you've got to get ahead of the curve, so did just that. I want to treat people's property and installs as I want to be treated myself. Very simple test. It's like, would I accept what I install in my own home? A very personal, close team, and everyone's just nice and laid back, easy to get on with, and yeah, we're going places.